Hi guys, Happy New Year to everyone. I hope all of you enjoyed this New Year's Eve, and I did too. And this is my New Year's gift to myself. And this year I made a resolution of journaling. So, this is my first journal. So here I'll be sharing with you a walkthrough of this journal, and also at the end of the video I will announce the winner for my giveaway that I had done 3 weeks ago. So this is the journal, and hope the light is doing well. And I have made a box. So this is a box for my journal. Here you go. And like, I want to carry this journal with me wherever I go, so I think it's safe for the journal to be in a box, because my bags is always messy. So this box would keep my journal safe, and also it is very sturdy. As you can see, I made the box with a heavyweight chipboard, really heavy. And so this is a metal piece. I used it for closure with a magnet, so it's magnetic, and so it's open up, and this is the inside. And here is my sweet little journal. And also I made this pocket, so I can keep some ephemera pieces or stuff like that to use in my journal when I'll be writing, or maybe doing mixed media or anything. So that's that. And I have made this journal very simple, like inside it is absolutely plain, because I'm like, sometimes I have some ideas about some of my projects, or something that I want to put somewhere safe, and few things, few prints from magazines, newspapers, or tags maybe, so I like to keep them. So I kept this journal plain to add all of that junk into this. And this is the front of my journal. So that's a paper from a biology book. My cousin brother used this book while he was preparing for his medical exams, and he's a doctor now. I'm so happy for you. And so I also like biology, so he gave this book to me, and it had so beautiful pictures and diagrams. So I kept that book, and I am now going to use the pages of that book in my journals. So inside is a tag, so I'll be writing down something here about the journal. And this is the stitching of my spine, and that's the back, happy day. And this cotton trim I made with a white cotton cloth. I die cut it and made it like this. So I really like the tone out effect of this. So let's have a look inside. That's a frame. Here I'll be adding a picture of my son here, and at the back we have a small pocket, so I can keep some tickets or anything important I want to in this pocket here. And so my journal has 3 signatures, as you can see, and everything is plain, very plain. I'll do a quick flip through. This page is also from the same book, same biology book. I tea dyed the pages. These pages are all tea dyed. So as you can see, there's a envelope, so I can keep something inside. Again we have a pocket here, and some some countings done by him, some lined pages to write down, pages from the same book. So that's the first signature, and this is the second signature, and it's almost same. See, you can see this all pages came from the same biology book, and I really like it. And this is my last signature. So once I am done with my journal, completed journal, I'll again share with you the completed journal also. So that's that. This is falling from here. Okay, so now it's time for the announcement for my giveaway, and I had only 5 comments on my video, and so it was very easy to do. So I just made 5 chits of those 5 comments and will choose one. Okay, so let me take it out. Garima Mishra. So congratulations, Garima, you are the winner. Please private message me or email me your address so I can send you the gift. And also you have 2 choices to make. Either you can win something that I have made, or you can take some craft goodies. It's all on you. So you have to mention that on my in the email, and email me before 10th of this January, else it would be expired. Okay, so thanks for standing by me. I hope this year's gonna be very blissful and blessed for all of you. Thank you. Bye bye.